Hello everyone, I am your host Ayushi Karasetia and welcome back to our channel Pabbly. In this video we are going to learn how you can add Pinterest pin media in Google Sheets automatically. So let's take an example that you are a business owner and you are using Pinterest account to upload your business related ideas and images. Now you want that whenever you create a new pin into your Pinterest account, all the details of the pin like its title, its description and the image URL should be added as a new record into your Google Sheets so that you can access all your pins at a specific place and even you can avoid the duplications also. For this we need to create a connection between Pinterest and Google Sheets so that whenever a new pin is created, its details are recorded into your Google Sheets. So in order to create a connection, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating both these software applications automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So let us learn the integration process now on my screen. To start the integration, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to Products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on Sign Up for Free option and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes. By clicking on Sign Up Free button, you will get 100 tasks free every month. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on Sign In. In the All Apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on Access Now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on Create Workflow. Now here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as Pinterest to Google Sheets Integration. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on Create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want to add the Pinterest pin media details in our Google Sheets and that too automatically. For that, open this trigger window, choose the application name as Pinterest, trigger event as new pin, click on Connect, click on Add New Connection and click on Connect with Pinterest. Now, as I am already logged into my Pinterest account, it is asking Pabbly Connect would like to access the account. So let's click on Give Access. Authorization successful, and now the Pinterest account is connected to Pabbly Connect just because I was already logged into my account. So make sure before creating a connection, you are logged into your Pinterest account. Now here you have to select your board name, which is automatically captured as Pabbly in my case. Now before clicking on Save and Send Test Request, we are going to create a new pin in our Pinterest account just because after clicking on this option, it is going to capture the latest response. So let's move to our Pinterest account. And all these are the pins which I have already uploaded. Here we are going to just click on this plus sign and click on pin. And here we are going to upload any of the picture from my system. Okay, let us select this Core Integrations image. Here we are going to add the title as Core Integrations. Okay, and I'm just giving the description as Pabbly Connect. Core Integrations. Okay, so we have added the title as well as the description. And let's click on Save. Okay, and here we can see that it is saved to Pabbly. I'll just close this window. And here we can find that a new pin has been created. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And now we are going to click on Save and Send Test Request. And here we can see the response is received. And in the response, we have got all the details. Here we can find the description. That is Pabbly Connect Core Integrations. I'll just scroll down. Okay. And here we can find the title as well as the URL. So now we want that all these details of the pin should be added to your Google Sheet. For that, come to this action step. Here choose the application name as Google Sheets. Select the action event as Add New Row. click on Connect, click on Add New Connection and click on Connect with Google Sheets. Now as I am already logged into my Google account, it is asking to choose an account. So I'll just choose my account. Pabbly Connect Sheets wants additional access to your Google account. Okay, so let's click on Continue and give away the access as the data is 100% safe with Pabbly Connect. Authorization successful. Okay, and now the Google Sheets account is connected to Pabbly Connect. So as we have created a connection, here we can find all the spreadsheets that I have created in my Google Sheet. Okay, so I'll just take you to the Google Sheet which I have already created, and the name of the Google Sheet is Pins from Pinterest and the sheet name is All Pins, where I have taken the columns for the title, its description, image URL and the created date and time. So we have to select the same spreadsheet name and the sheet name over here in Pabbly Connect. Okay, and the spreadsheet name is Pins from Pinterest. And here we have to select the sheet name which is automatically captured just because I have created a single sheet in this particular spreadsheet. If you have created multiple sheets, from the drop down you can select the specific sheet name. Now here it is asking for the title, description and other details. So we have already got these details from the Pinterest account. So we are going to map these details now one by one. Come to the title and click on Pinterest, and from here we are going to just map the title, that is core integrations. Here we have to map the description. This was the description. Here we have to map the image URL, again from Pinterest. So we have got some URLs over here. We have to map media images originals URL over here, and now we have to map the created date and time. So this is the created date and time. So we have mapped all the values over here. Now let's click on Save and Send Test Request. Okay, and here we can see the response is received. It means a new record is generated into your Google Sheets. Let's check it. And here we can see that the details of the pin are added to our Google Sheet. Title as core integrations, description as Pabbly Connect core integrations. Here we can find the image URL as well as the created date and time. So in this way we can see that our integration is working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay, now we have to check this in the real time, whether our integration is actually working fine or not in the real time. For that, I'll just go to my Pinterest account once again, and here I'm just going to create a new pin, and now we are going to check whether the pin details automatically gets captured in your Google Sheet or not. Okay, now let us select the image from the system, and this time I'm just selecting the image as best click. Okay, just a random image. Giving the title as best click, and let's add the description over here as one of the best pictures I have clicked, and just adding a random description, and let's click on save. Okay, and here we can see that it is saved to Pabbly. Let's click on see it now, and here we can see that a new pin has been created. Now let us check our Google Sheet. We have to refresh it. And even after refreshing, we can't find the pin details added to a Google Sheet just because the trigger here is polling based and it will take time to capture the response. So we have to wait for some time. And after some time, we can find the details of the pin, title as best click, description, one of the best pictures I have clicked. Here we can find the image URL, and here we can find the created date and time. So in this way, we can see that our integration is working fine. So as we have created a connection, next time whenever you're going to create a new pin in your Pinterest account, automatically the details of the pin will be added to your spreadsheet, that is your Google Sheet, automatically. Okay, and in this way our integration is perfectly working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect, and I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first we have created an integration between Pinterest and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details of the pin that you have created in your Pinterest account, and using those details, automatically a new row or a new record was created into your Google Sheets. And in this way, we have created a successful integration between Pinterest and Google Sheets using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can visit our Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.